may mga anghel, may mga...
Yes, actually, it's open po for interpretation po ng mga kakapanood. Pero for us po, it's like showing you different emotions of love. Kaya nakita niyo yung falling, may worried, may happy, may scared. Pero makita niyo doon na we're protecting each other. Kaya we're like guardian angels of each other when looking out for each other.
Was it inspired by an artwork?
Actually, it just came out of a sketch po. Kami lang po, sa isang meeting, kami pong lima, we conceptualize everything. So, just conceptualize po namin siya last week. So,
Yes.
talagang lahat po na ideas na nagsama sa for this specific.
How was the MB photo shoot nyo?
Sa Zambales po namin ito ginawa. Very small team lang. We're very grateful sa Direct Jonat, sa Toothless for making this possible, for making it happen. And yung sa glam din po namin, actually, kung wala rin po talaga yung team behind us, hindi rin po talaga siya mapupull off ng gano'ng kaganda. So, masaya lang, very happy. Kahit 2-day shoot siya, pero lahat talaga siniksik na namin para maging maganda.
Yes, and actually, it's been a while since we did an outdoor shoot. Kaya parang noong una, medyo nakakapa kami kasi parang nilalaban namin yung init, yung pagod. But with the love sa craft po namin, talagang pinush namin na ma-work lahat ng creative and vision po namin for the music video.
May elements of ballet yan.
Yes!
Sino, lahat ba kayo ballerine?
Actually, nung training po kami, nag-training po kami for Kaya. It was one of our trainings. So, nag-ballet kami, contemporary, and then hip-hop, and basically fundamentals po of dancing. So, I think this is a great opportunity kasi to showcase that kasi parang sa mga other songs namin, hindi pa talaga na-showcase yung dancing skills, yung versatility ng dancing skills ng Kaya. So, sana...
At saka sa girl groups, kayo lang ang nakita kong nag-ballet. Dito ha? Oh.
We're very grateful din po talaga sa coach po namin, si Coach Fergus. Kasi yung ideas po namin, yung gusto po namin pakita Fergus, and then pinakita po niya yung choreography. Yung choreography kaya, ayun po. Sana for example.
Ano yung gusto nyong message na iparating sa mga Saya fans nyo about this hulog?
Don't be afraid to fall in love. It's a part of life. You can have that moment na ma-feel mo yung katangahan, yung biruan, serenihan. Yes, lahat ng
Embrace lang nila yung emotions nila when they fall in love.
Yes.
Paano ka nakarelate yung Kaya members? Yan. Na-inlove na rin ba isa-isa? Parang
Pero
gano'n.
yung ganda po ng song na yun is kahit anong pigil niyo sa emotions, kapag talaga na-in-love tayo sa isang tao, mahuhulog na ng lahat. So, yun po yung naging, pero nakarelate po ako. Kasi hindi natin mapipigilan po
Isa-isa.
For me naman, parang normal lang naman din sa tao na magka-crush, di ba? So, I think ito yung kinagandahan ng kantang to kasi yung it embraces yung parang ganda yung having a crush na parang ang saya, na parang nakakilig, ganon. So, it's just a soft feeling and it's something na, alam mo yun, na kahit, parang even if we're scared to admit na we like someone, lalabas at lalabas kasi siya. So, sana i-embrace natin yung fact na kaya natin sabihin natin sa mga taong mahal natin na mahal natin.
Next.
Yes, actually, medyo same case of Iya. Like, more than yung pagka-fall sa someone, I mean, yung hulog is something na magpaparealize sa tao na dapat ini-embrace din natin yung mga bagay na kinatatakutan natin. Kasi doon tayo natututo. And sa mga moments na natatakot tayo, doon tayo nagiging maano as a person.
Ako, parang dun po, based sa song, parang, di ba parang hindi mo siya mahawakan, hanggang tingin ka lang. So I think I've experienced that, na parang hanggang tingin ka lang talaga. Pero for me, take your time, pero pag ready ka na, sabihin mo na yung nangyari doon.
And with our song Hulog, kasi maraming emotions yung song eh. For me, nakaka-relate ako sa part yung being excited to fall in love. Aside from being scared na talagang ma-realize mo na nahulog ka na sa tao. Doon ako sa unang part wherein parang confused ka kung talaga bang nagugustuhan mo ba siya, kung talagang nahuhulog ka na. Doon ako, for me, nakaka-relate as bunso ng Kaya. Kasi parang, parang we are
are still growing, we're still exploring about life. So parang for me, yun palagi yung pinaka-look forward ko when it comes to falling in love, yung pinaka-unang part.
Yes!
This Kasayan Fest is parang naging emotional kayo. Kanina, parang pinipigil niyo lang pero nakita naman na yung emotion. Why you're so emotional about napagtanggap mong
Actually,
sayo?
sobrang overwhelmed kasi ako. Kasi comparing the last fan meet natin, sobrang parang nag-double, nag-triple yung size ng audience. So, dun pa lang actually hindi kasi namin po alam yung itsura ng audience kanina from the backstage. So, nung pag-akit namin dito, sobrang nagulat ako. So, first song pa lang namin, naiiyak na talaga kami. Kasi, napipil talaga namin yung love ng Zaya for us. And napipil na rin namin na we're almost there. Hopefully, marating na rin natin yung mga goals natin in life. Kami.
And you thank the members also, di ba? Ikaw personally.
Especially po dito sa song na to, sobrang na-feel ko po talaga yung pagiging hands-on ng Kaya sa ginagawa po namin, not just from music, sa conceptualizing po, sa MV, kahit po sa suot namin, sa tsura namin, lahat po naging part po kami ng pagplan. And sobrang thankful po kami sa mga taong sumusuporta po sa amin sa mga ginagawa namin. Kasi without them, hindi po magiging possible po. Ito po.
Bakit kayo ganito kamahal na mga Kasaya fans nyo? Ano yung sekreto ng Saya?
Siguro po, we have that connection po talaga, like genuine connection with the fans. If we can po talaga sa totoo lang, pero gusto namin silang kausapin isa-isa. And we're trying to make time every time po talaga na we perform after it, talaga may fan service. Kasi ano ba naman yung simpleng hi, hello, yung magpa-picture sa biyahe nila papunta. Alam namin ang dami nila sinasacrifice for us. And very evident nga po talaga, online yung support nila. So we're very grateful.
Pag international Larawing girl group, hindi na malapitan. Kayo kaya pag nag-international na kayo, nakatapak na kayo on international stage, same sa Kaya pa rin ba yung makikita?
Kung ano po kami sa simula, hindi po kami hanggang dulo. We'll remain devoted to our fans, devoted to our music, we'll stay grounded. Kasi yun naman talaga yung purpose namin ng Kaya, to make everyone feel heard, seen, and maparating yung message namin na you can do anything as long as you believe in yourself.
At isa daw sa mga bagay na na kilala na kapag ang dami ng endorsement. Di ba? Kumbaga sa dami ng binagit niya endorsement, ang dami nagtiwala sa inyo. Ano lang masasabi niyo doon?
Sobrang thankful po talaga kami sa kahit lahat ng brands po na tumutulong sa amin. Kasi kung akala nyo lang po tuwing events na po, kahit backstage, offstage, tumutulong po sila sa amin sa anything. Kung anong kaya nilang i-extend yung help nila, they will help us. And we share the same values. That's why we're very grateful sa lahat ng brands and partners po namin. Including kayo rin po, yung mga media partners. They were always going here kasi grabe rin po talaga yung natutulong niyo po sa amin para
Ang daming ang views nung the last interview, di ba?
Last question. How was it working with Edierno, who we all know is like the producer of the movie?
Yes, it's a dream collaboration kasi we're fans of his work, especially nung Multo. We're very happy po to be working with him. It was very collaborative working with him and also the other producers. Ang dami po kasi talagang producers na tumulong dito, they co-write it. And yung marami po kami natutunan actually. They shared a lot of their insights, their learning, and kaming Kaya will continue on learning kasi yun naman po talaga yung lagi namin sinasabi sa isa na dapat lagi kaming open na matuto.
What's next for Kaya? The last question.
Lagi naman po namin siya sinasabi pero I will say it again, we're preparing to release an EP. We're very excited with that one kasi it will be our first EP. And asahan niyo po na magkakaroon po tayo ng showcase for that. Kaya we're very excited.
Thank you.